Introduction to Aquaponics. In aquaponics systems, filtration is crucial for maintaining proper water quality and the well-being of fish. There are two primary types of filtration: biological and mechanical. Biological filtration. Biological filtration is the most critical for providing proper water quality. Naturally occurring aerobic bacteria convert toxic ammonia produced by fish into non-toxic nitrate, which is utilized by plants. Nitrosomonas bacteria convert ammonia to nitrite, then Nitrospira bacteria convert nitrite into nitrate. This process is achieved by moving oxygenated water through an inert material with high surface area in which the nitrifying bacteria colonize. In aquaponics, the vegetables you grow utilize the nitrate produced by the bacteria, creating a sustainable system. Filtration and cycling are essential for maintaining this balance. Mechanical filtration. Mechanical filtration removes solid waste before it's broken down by biological processes. This may be achieved by passing the water through a fine material such as a foam sponge, filter sock, or other synthetic barrier, which traps the solids. The mechanical filter is manually removed and cleaned on a regular basis. The manual removal of organic solids benefits the system by taking some of the demand off of the biological filter, reducing the amount of oxygen used by bacteria in the mineralization and nitrifying processes. This is important, as your fish need oxygen as well. If there is too much solid waste in the system, uneaten food, plant matter, etc., the dissolved oxygen may drop to dangerously low levels. The initial cycle. These beneficial bacteria are ubiquitous and will eventually colonize where there is adequate oxygen and nutrients. Similar to the setup of an aquarium, a new aquaponics system must first be cycled prior to adding a large number of fish. Cycling is the process of building up sufficient nitrifying bacteria colonies in the biofilter to optimally handle the waste produced by the fish population. To start the cycle, add a few fish to the system. These fish will add enough ammonia to start the process. Gradually, the bacteria, Nitrosomonas, begin to make use of the ammonia, converting it to nitrite. As the ammonia peaks, the second type of bacteria, Nitrospira, begin to convert the nitrite to nitrate. The cycle naturally stabilizes in about 4 to 5 weeks, after which more fish may be added to the system. It's best to add fish gradually to the system, slowly building up to capacity. Alternatively, there are fishless cycling methods and head start bacteria cultures available to help speed up the process. Water flow. A water pump is used to move water from the fish tank to the plant roots and back. This ensures that the plants get the nutrients they need and the water stays clean for the fish. If multiple tanks are used, the water can be diverted to circulate through all the tanks consistently. This helps to maintain a consistent environment for the fish and plants. To ensure strong water movement, quality and powerful water pumps are essential. This reduces dead spots and improves overall oxygenation for the fish and plants.